In this video, we will remove blemishes from this image and will make smoothness skin with Photoshop AI filter called skin smoothing. To do so, select your image. You need to connect your internet and log in with Adobe ID. Then go to Filters, Neuro Filters, and here is the filter called Skin Smoothing. Feel free and play with these two slide bars, blur and smoothness, to get your best result. This is before and after. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on a next video soon.